Hey all, welcome back to SLB Basement Bourbon Bar. I am Kurt Luddington, your resident host and bartender.
I am Katarina, and this is my grandpa.
Thanks for being with us today, Katarina. This is awesome. Today what we're going to do with New Year's Eve coming up, and I'm sure a lot of you will have children at your house, so we're going to show you how to make 2 Kiddie cocktails. The first one we're going to show you is the Katarina Special. Why is this one the Katarina Special?
Because it's my favorite, and I usually drink it every time.
She does. That's the truth. She usually asks for it every time she comes. So, this is the Katarina Special. I'm going to start with a 1/4 ounce of lime juice, just a little bit to give it just a tiny bit of citrus. After that, I'm going to pour in 2 ounces of, what do we use? You remember?
Yeah.
What?
We use cranberry juice.
That's right. Ocean Spray Cranberry Juice, 2 full ounces. And we're just going to pour this right into the glass. Build this Kiddie cocktail right in the glass.
The ice is like spiking. It's like cracking.
You know why it's cracking? Because Grandpa didn't let it temper enough.
Oh.
So it came like right out of the freezer, and I should have let it sit for a little while.
So if you are making this at home, then please remember to temper this time.
That's right, because Grandpa didn't do that very good this time. Next time I will, though, for sure. Okay, we got a little bit of lime juice. We have a little bit of cranberry.
Now we're putting in the Sprite.
Excellent. She likes it topped off with Sprite. You can use club soda if you want, but Katarina here, she likes her Sprite. So we're going to top it off with Sprite. Now what I'm going to do, Katarina, I'm going to take this straw and I'm just going to go like this just to make sure all the ingredients are together.
That's why when you do it at home, you need to stir it good so that it all gets it together.
Correct. Now, I think it's time now for you to put in your favorite garnish, which is
a cherry.
A cherry. Can you reach it?
Ooh, yeah. Put it on top of the ice so that it
Sure.
doesn't fall inside.
Actually, that's perfect. That was a great idea. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful?
Mm-hmm.
That's a pretty Kiddie cocktail. That's the Katarina Special.
And then you can just go ahead and drink it.
She's going to give it a test. She's going to try it out.
Delicious.
What do you think of it?
Really good.
What do you taste in
It
there?
tastes different because it tastes like a lot like lime.
So it's a little different than what we've done before with the lime?
Mm-hmm.
But you like the lime, right?
And the cherry.
Well, you already ate the cherry. Now,
I love cherry.
do you want to put another one on there just for fun?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's put one more on there, and then we're going to set this one to the side and work on the next one.
Mm-hmm.
All right? How's that sound?
Put another one in there for fun.
That's a beautiful Katarina Special.
Yeah.
You want another drink?
Yep.
You can. And then we're going to set it right over here. And I'm going to move a couple things around. How's that sound? Because now we're going to go to something just a little bit different than yours. You know what this one's called? I didn't even tell you what this one's called, actually. This one's called Faker Face.
Faker Face.
Faker Face Kiddie Cocktail.
Faker Face. Like if you had a pig face.
That's a crazy name, isn't it?
Yes.
You know what we're going to do?
I don't know, but it made a weird sound when I swallowed my saliva.
I make weird sounds all the time. Just ask Grandma. She'll tell you. Mm-hmm. We're going to start out with, for the Faker Face, we're going to start out with more lime juice.
How much this time?
3/4 of an ounce. So you know what? That's more than yours.
It is.
So that's going to be pretty limey, huh?
Yes. It was already like so limey when I tasted it.
What? Did you like it with the lime in it or without the lime? In yours, Katarina Special.
I like it both. With it both.
Be careful now. Whoop! Be careful. Be careful.
Good.
You're good. All right. You like it both ways? All right. Well, that way, if you want to try it both ways, you can.
So if you're doing this if you put too much lime in the Katarina Special, then you might cough a little bit.
That's it. But if you take it easy, you'll be okay.
Yes, if you like lime a lot, like a lot of lime.
I'm going to put in 3/4 ounce of Grenadine syrup, Katarina, in the faker face.
What's a Grenadine syrup?
Grenadine syrup is a pomegranate syrup.
And you hear
tastes
that.
really good. It's nice and sweet.
Yes, and you hear that. It's from pomegranates.
Yep, pomegranates.
Pomegranates.
Now I'm going to pour in...
It looks like it would be sour, but it's actually sweet.
It's a little bit sweet. You know, to be honest with you, though, it is a little bit sour, too. But together, it is really, really good. It's like sweet and sour.
Mm.
You know what this is, don't you? This is pretty simple.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's regular orange juice.
Regular orange juice.
Just orange
That
juice.
sounds weird together.
Well, but
With all that stuff.
you know what? You're going to try it, and then we'll see. Because you've never tried this one before.
Yeah.
It's going to be 1 ounce orange juice. I've got Natalie's here. Natalie's is an unbelievable resource for citrus juices if you don't have the time or if you don't have the actual oranges, lemons, and limes. If you get Natalie's, good stuff. Okay, Katarina. Guess what I'm going to do now?
I already know the cherry. I love cherries.
I can't control you with those cherries, can I?
I love cherries.
Guess what I'm going to do now? With these ingredients, I'm going to shake it. Yep. Here it comes. Here comes the grandpa shake, Katarina.
And you want to shake that?
Yep,
so
here we go.
that it actually is a cocktail. It's a cocktail. It's very loud. And you need to shake it up so it's a cocktail. It's a very.
Well, it's a kitty cocktail. Okay,
So it's a kitty
remember
cocktail. So you need to shake it up. So yes, you need
So
to
what we
shake it
did,
up
we're
really
going to
good.
strain into our glass. See how that is? And then we're going to set this in the sink. And then I'm going to top off the rest of it, Katarina, with club soda. This is just kind of like soda water. It's got bubbles and water, basically.
Does it taste like water?
Huh? You can taste it. Want to try? What do you
Oh! It tastes like water. It tastes like water, but it's very Sprite.
It's very bubbly, isn't it? It is very bubbly.
Ah!
So we're going to...
It tastes like water, but it's bubbly water.
Yeah.
Feel that? It's all bubbly.
What happened to our other straw,
Bubbles.
Katarina?
Huh?
Oh, here it is. I found it.
Oh, I was like, do we? I think we only need one for the cocktail, but we
No.
need two, everybody. We need two.
Now we're going to what? We're going to stir just a little bit.
Yep.
Make sure everything is combined.
Yep. Even though we shaked it.
Yep. But we put the soda water in it, remember?
Yep.
And that's it. That kitty cocktail is called the Faker Face. The big test. I haven't tried it either. You want me to try it first or you to try it first?
I think you to try it first.
Okay.
To
I
make
am.
sure it's still good.
I'm going to drink from the glass. That way you can drink from the straw and not get grandpa germs.
Yeah, so you don't get scrambled eggs.
Okay.
From me. Delicious?
Not bad.
Taste?
It's not bad. Give it a
Don't
shot.
be selfish.
I don't know if I...
Need a taste.
I don't know if you like it better than yours or not. I'm not sure. What do you think?
It's not better. It tastes like orange juice.
Well, it kind of has a lot of orange juice
It
in it.
tastes like orange juice and lime together, like orange juice lime.
Well, it's got grenadine too. It's not bad. I think
doesn't
it's pretty decent.
It only tastes it's definitely not better than my Kiddie cocktail.
Well, no, it can't be. It can't be better than the Katarina Special. I mean, especially with the cherries on it. I mean, that's the best.
I love
right?
cherries.
I know you do. I know you do.
It's
Well-
already halfway gone.
I know you've been busy on that, haven't you, since we've been doing the show?
And that's all we have for today to make the drinks.
Yep, we just had 2, and what do we say to everybody for watching our show today?
Thank you, and we are about, and we and we want to get at least 100 more likes and 10 more subscribers.
That's what I'm talking about right there. Thanks for watching, everybody. We certainly appreciate it. Happy New Year. Hope next year is much better than the year we had. We wish you nothing but the best of health and prosperity in the coming new year. Thanks so much for watching our show,
Bye.
for subscribing to our show this year. And we appreciate everything, and we love you all. Thanks for watching the Katarina and Grandpa Kiddie Cocktail Show. We will see you next time on SLB Basement Bourbon Bar. See ya.
See ya.